my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Untouchable Mama. You get little thing where I want to talk today. You get one audio where I just come across. So this lady they talk about Dionosaege and people will donate for her. I bet if I dey talk, if I say my friend say, now no say that this lady now they talk about. So this lady I don't know her name. So I saw you there for YouTube. So I can't see this audio. I can't the list. I not just finish the audio because I just listen small. So they talk about Dionosaege say they donate money for her. So say my friend tell her say he donate money for her. Say me Dionosaege may go return that money. My sister, I not come here can cost you. I not even cost you. But if you see this audio, if you cost me, I go use and take bath you because na me be that. I if person know they understand something, I'll make her understand. But if you say maybe you want to do what may take cost me, I will tell you say I still get my own mat. Your friend tell you say, no what I they hate for this life. They say, I say, this one say, your friend tell you say donate money for Dion. You tell that your friend say may bring the receipt come. The receipt where they donate. But many people they talk. They put person just for bad thing. Just put in name for bad name. How you go say your friend say no be say now you even donate the money. Your friend say he donate money. May Dion go bring that money come. May I tell you my sister, this charity when the people they do not be with force. I never see where they do a video where they tell people say you must donate. If you like, you donate. If you not like, don't do it. About this woman where that said this Kingsley where come out. We don't know the amount where they donate for her. Nobody know amount. Not be everybody where they call. Not be say they call here, come they defend you. And I don't get that right to ask Dion. Me, I don't get that right to ask Dion. Say, Dion, how much they donate for you? I don't get that right. I don't get that right. You understand? We don't know how much they donate for this Kingsley wife. Nobody know. Not be everybody where they call Dion. They bring that money come. Me una they use na common sense. Mona still they use that. Mona they use that. Person if he call, he go say, I go send you that money on Monday. I go send you money on Friday. Just go they write their name for that. You the thing say na so John go they follow that they call them one by one. Say bros, that money where you say you want to know. Sister, that money where you say you want donate. Because donation now for my name for the con. If you really say you want to donate, nobody go even remember you. Now you go just send that money direct. That very the way you tell the person say you want to send that money. Now you go send the money. Don't be say your friend say, my friend say, you be Dionosaege fans. Say that many people they talk say that they give Dionosaege advice, they take. Now all advice be advice. Not be all advice be advice. So advice the way you go follow on, you go say, let's say I know if I not do this advice what person give me, if I not take on. Maybe the advice one they give the boy, he go say, which kind of say be this one? I know if you follow this advice. Make I tell many of you now when they say they give you an advice. This charity of a thing, this boy don't start out. If you say na let me go watch in YouTube. If I get one YouTube boy open that time. Me don't watch it. Don't tell what this boy they do. As this boy just carry on social media for Facebook. Now everywhere just be like brr brr. This one no one year, this one no one year. It's not a force to donate for charity. If you like, you do. Even the euro for year, it's not a force. They will never force you to donate for them. If you like, sometimes they will come, you will press your bell. They will say they be charity. If you like, you go say, okay, I get €5. They'll still write time for that. If you like, you give them. If they still tell you say you want to donate, if you tell them say I don't get money, they'll come out. They not they beat you. They don't put gun for your head. Say you must donate. When I suffer for money, when I don't even work. People wey donate the money, me never even hear say person make out just say, that's why I donate 50,000 for Dion. Because Dion talk say Dion even talk at the money where he give that man. I don't know the one way come be na problem. Dion must do this one. What you never call her? Dion, my brother, they say ESS they look for you. Last year na FBI, this year na ESS na wow. They never look for Obaseki. Huh? Obaseki wey use 1 billion to do flower for ring road. They never go look for am, make come explain as it takes spend that 1 billion. No na so free. Make una so free. Make una so free. Because me I don't know until they worry many people. Whether I even get brain or not get at all, I don't know. About Obaze, oh, that one sit there. About Obaze said Dion must remove account. About me, I tell you, Dion, not be account, not be private account. Now Dion put for them. If you never know me, you know. Because you know say never come up for a magba. Because to do a charity, I never do charity before, but I see people where they do. You know if you put your private account there. It must be business account. If you never know me, you they know now. If your charity now register charity, it must be business account, not private. You remember one time where one person called you and say one send 100,000, give a mate just chop, mate eat, mate do shopping. Dion come tell and say, I will send my personal account, can't give you. Because Dion know say, if that man put her for a charity account, you know if he withdraw, go put for a private account. Come here and tell you now, many things they wanna not know for business. Wanna go ask people where they do and where. Because if Dion put her in your number for charity account, they must ask her. Where for register, whether na United States for register or you still register for Nigeria, they will monitor them. Say, why this money they flow for your account all the time? Since na business account, they must see how the thing they enter. I don't know as I explain tell you now. Many of you are just there for you, and not even know anything, and not even know gun, and not even know con. Now where they push na go, now they push na self they go. There is something between private account and business account. If you want to go open account now, they'll go ask you, say, which account you want to put. The account where you wanted they do business, you know if you put them for send a private home. Because if you put them for private, as money they enter, now so they'll they control you. This law where they the country where they'll come monitor and say, what did they happen? This private, this your account, money to the enter, and maybe you can explain to them. But if na business account, nobody go come and ask you, say why money to the enter? Because na business. About where they for but we never come up for Bini. Now they explain that to you. So that account where on the side they put for they say God sent foundation. If you want to go put money, when you look the receipt where they give you, they'll write and come and say you send money for God sent foundation. They not they say you send money give John Osaigi. Actually, they understand now. Many people they understand. They will think say, person when one send money can't give me now. Now my name, now you go there for that paper where that receipt where they will give you. If my business account, the business account of the name of the business of my account, now you go come out for the receipt. No say about now. You say John Sage must remove a private account. You know if you get sense, you don't know say person they do business, you know if you put your private account. Say na business now you want put. Now so that one reach. Then this guy where you just they talk, where you just they shout for there, they talk, you just use 1 hour 30 minutes, they talk about John Sage. I fear you, my sister. My friend say that they donate. If you don't want to donate, mona leave the poor boy alone. May they do what they do, they go. Mona go pull now, mona see they do now. Aba say one go do you. Aba go do your own. Every person go still support you. Who like you go still support. Who not like you not go support you. It's not a task. May you come out to hand for person business. May you go do your own. And that one I be for that one or that girl because I don't know whether the girl na Bini. That make me use this English. They broken. Me I take talk to her. Then this one are for Abat. Abat Obaze when we do we him. Imayeti we. Even where we may hate. Even where he hates. Make I tell Elofuna. Why have fair because if you don't have Google because do no say get do Abat be him. Why don't me go on? Why have no time where about only say was about your wagon, about me right. Abat ene etion pa no kaya senti stop e no saige gumeta ma we abat dete dio no saige o ma register e charitore e ba ni afiama na afien e ba no duwa na ahwe since on register e we me right ye e ma no me right no kaya senti stop e o e yin na bege we e no wo ma gba e ba ni na senti stop e we no da ma gba ba ni won abati we ha ma we dio no saige ogu were do ka be teme na me deri ogu were do we se dio no saige ai be do ni wa di Facebook do avan no do achati e comment c'est so ma comment o we full bu we Facebook wa disgrace family we o ma no we ha go gun face to face no no ha no bu ari office ma bu ejo wa ya de wa di e Facebook u do ani nyo we u do avan no we vani e ho emu we o to ta no we negbe we ehwemu weyeye ogi ani ewe bad politician we wani him we because we politician bad one oru we o ya no Obaseki we no ya we him ma we tamawe Obaseki is doing this Obaseki is doing that in we watani you are just making noise every man your manager even na we bone any government in order they are not doing anything iye we rokpa e mata gwa ni him iye we rokpa EFCC must do this. They must arrest genocide. Obiana no karo Oshomole. We arrest ene. Lucky Benedion we arrest ene. Umeta mawabat. Ume winner. Mona no the beg out. Mona no beg about again. Uga your boy and genocide. Iba bo off your kunele. Una he wevo or off your kunele. Una he wevo iba bo wow. Huh? Wow, because of Banake Hama, where Abati Kiri, where Gwenakiri. Umay, Hama, where not Bokboma, no Bokboma, you woo. Oh, Jaimiri, or Dobama, Nibagbo. Ah, when they don't say, when we see I, no higher Pumwenya, because who were red or the Doniwa. And I don't know to Tony Kabaka Gua. Oh, only Kevye politician. Who Pioe, or your web Pioe, who Jao Gua, when I only wear Batigume Gua. Awe gun abati politician ye ki giye gun we na get tafo awa be yan woman we ki no ma woman we ki o kan ata we abasi zi e ho e dan ogbe we ni that bad mind no wa gun we ni o he ke no change wa bat change where set if we that God sent foundation where if we do we have to we wa no pe EFCC or give gwale na FBI set in America la wo bere ivo abati o ga bun beri ma bere ivo ave man we viola dia ni weni ado awe audio menu we wa neje eriyanje common sense o ma common sense ye eguyan when mejo na we sent go gume oh yes, anybody that we send go get on the side. Not be say I send money, you get the receipts, even though send a Western Union you for doing. Now yes, now you take do go meet them for the the office. While Sebani printed the paper no. Nigeria now where you must have a receipt no. Euro to euro now where man where get euro to euro. Oh my I get genocide give the account of it. You must have the receipt unless where finish. I receipt. Then I saw the Niati where I send money go give genocide girl. When I got anywhere, you get the proof. We need the proof. Only we not get proof. Then he may prove it to attack we send him in over. He must send it. On your say the web anything no carry one proof wa go. Only proof we go go nowhere because we no haya go ma so. Women who have your mouth so can no ma send you, cannot send you. A do well. I send money go give that. But me tell you all this money. Agboya ha wuse mi go na Agboya wuse agbona mana be do ba e ma be CIG. So why ko wo? Ave ma ni kun ni go. Ya mari un luvo no de. Ya ma so ya mari un gbera ya mari un gbiri. Mo na suffer. O wa se mi go mani vie do. Mostly mani vie do wa no. Awa mu Awa munya hu egi for there. You go no hu go ware kona o no hu go me de gwa. No ma hu no wa ya o ya de ge o ya wa wo. Iye hu e na ya ma hu e na e ba khairo. Abat na ke kama we we. Abat wa we ba bo efie kunlele we. O ma na be we ba bo mu wa o. We wa mu hia ma be ge gwa na e we gwa na we wa mu hia. Mu hia we your last blood don ha ya gbe na. Ma ge bi no we ha ya gbe na e bi no kana from your toy. we wa gbe na ho mi oto emi na register that John say ma register o ge mo no de Nigeria no we handle our God Sent Foundation anything we register America another our Nigeria we mo boma we mo when we hayata we o devil no na gba that you ma register una threaten na we he just ma register o ti we no pay tax ji tax na John say ge pay ni value eso we no gwani do my tax ni ye wa pay abu we unu ya ke business tax no wa pay ni ya value eso we na bat no we agbuzubuzu ni ya value eso we because I had done many things ji when we nuje we company no mu gbo we kono na wina wa wala tian o do avan of Facebook we boy are to vani oga mo when ni mani Italia hata always say that vero tu chele pale when ya tie pale ami no bia me ototo ni mi vani no bia me o bo agele amu enu bunya ade Italia ga etama wonu o wegbe Ovitali na etama wewe say that vero tu chele pale vie ni kwi o wa ko biegbe because e no really mi o ya fa wo ho ya fia wo mu fuwa wa ugele na mi va no bia me ototo ni ugele mo ogele huwa ye toto ba ni boarie ekeno na nwina ba ni ken office ogeji all the time ya take an address yeji avi hu ni reva ni ho ka gbuwe ye igbuwe eri bia kan ke do gbado yi go ho ya no na meyo wonu ado yi go ho ya no na meyo wonu woman we this John say no we no pa o wa agu we wa redo o do make noise with Facebook. Are you not ashamed of yourself? We move well. They tell you domani ni awe ye domani. So a message now when I pass it to the person. Oma wa go we wa domani. Egbe can we stage ya ni can a office or your marriage. What do I find on my Facebook? You are a disgrace to the Benin people. Disgrace we wa hin. You are a disgrace. You who well we magboya. You are a disgrace. Mortal, you are a disgrace. You who we on magboya. Obi gbo awe mi ne boy now we ba me he mi opawo ihe mu jukpo ye mwe wo nye ka bo gba na gbalo ma be no do de ba wana sie na na me we many people te ro no te no we mi ye to ba ni beti ya oni awu iviere mu anya re gbiyan le du we no ma na be no gba be du e na e je o se ke we nye many things ni pass through okay we ye de do yan do ko be tai o we many things ni we ha pass through me ke don ni o maizi na na o ma wari unwe la de we ha do awe mi ije ka wa so la wo we no we me la wo we me no we me e di unwe yo pe la wo we me no we me wa na no ma na no na egwale abe enemy of progress no ma wo ne do ni pa no ma no move ye ba ni re egbo wa na o wa sie ne do ni na ye je mi no je ni wa mi me so obo wa ye do we dey talk ye wa vu mu pa ni ya mu ari eko wa guta wa no ma na sie awu wa no ma na o sie iru na mi me so wa pa ene do beto o me de ko o me de worry mo sie egbu wa na no mama na o sie ni biere na lepa wa na egbu wa na no mama na ami o wa yo go ya te we no wa ahia ma no te pa no do hion dafen even na party wa jeni o ma o no ni abi evi ogwe ni redo ni ya hion dafen yeye ni agaro to tinye enye gwalo ederi ona mi obiara no so e o ka egbe me usena you be here ona mi o bia dey isi wan no ma fi boy ekpo no we my bros we mi ona nu we ko ya danyo o ga dey no say again no fi boy ekpo o we na ma you be o re na we mi ona nu we ko mi nu ya re mi abamu moto yo re mu moto re aha ehu we so ebie abati o so ebie e no na je o re ga ni e ba ni na ge te ho we ye kin na agba Obiano no we go master if you born give me money me at buy something wetin wan use am take do ama no we go me no han you go ya o ma no very job o de na mu ne o haita we no the name of we dey work pa awu back and just age we o ya awu back kan onye we o wa ya we dey work pa there logo we dey work pa about mienwe abati mienwe ebe khere ni filoma we na o ge taile le we gbode ege ga ese abi hu ya ni jono sa ge we ijobona keke bi me no gwe gwana mai gwa banwa o bia no o hu ri no No when the John say get set you business or when that a charity nigga la down. No when if ye do. No when if ye do get near get by the Kenya jere near me about no I aswa atie bojo. Banu wahana wo emanu wotie bona. Emanu wotie bona ye me serie because I want to wa na we the na me nyata. Ayi bi akani ni no do ari ma anya bi ho ni la wo ni ni e we operation be there no we go about e do ni weje okono ave the fibroid be 10 years o we were do ni no pa no ne mi aro ebe o be gani o we ma de urua o aye charity o ke no we na just we e ho ebo na ke ma o ebo na we governor who we Obaseki o ke no do ave mi nyantie na we ya heme a governor heke no wa be mi atie na wa se we bo na ave ma no ho mi hospital yanjo ave governor ave government o gba ogi yan wa ho mi obunya hospital be Nigeria wa ho no bunya hospital da ahaza yo we ka me governor we me na ya we bo we no we very onu bi usisu we can see we Obaseki wi we me na ya bie bi ni ya we dia we no so na we do because ema wo logbe even so rude 5,000 wa wo rude 5,000 keka o wa wo o ma ke no je very oni wa si osi o no John say ge mu o mu we o mi e we de o ga te ne mi BP o ge do riero ya gba o ge gbe we John say ge nya ba we se we ya magba o re US o be ke ba gba ri Canada e de no bi ade do beta o wi yete o ni say ya like boy na anything at all really because a character no many people at where rudigbe or tanonagbe o ma very only no what if fear with you can't change that boy o ma very only no o mi we onu we me ni enje e to z the best of one le here 5 years we makoye me a character man you makoye e behave no ya behave let's just say I don't like Facebook man do change why go change the man go change wasi ani ma ya won wasi ani ri oni don't change that boy. Then I have verse in Wariere no Magbani, Wasiae, because of money day, because I have verses on Wariere, I will call you when a banner very a day yet, your day problem. On a brionge, or what an embrionge, I have verse, I have verse. I have a sort of way when they were dating and get the same and you can when. So everybody mind your business. My friend say, that one where they talk say, my friend say, may you try, may you mind your own business, yeah? Tell about say the what about no fit do now you want come do one. I bet may you sit down for one corner. That's your friend where you say my friend say donate for genocide. Carry your wala go one corner, yeah? My friend say everything where your friends tell you now you go they believe. Your friends feel take and tell laugh, just say take and say me just talk and say I donate, you just carry and come. My friend say donate. You see the money, you see the receipt. Even though say your friend donates, your friend tell you something you can't talk and say na she donates. That's your friend not get a man where go contact talk say I see money where I donate. Have you hear say John say not give one couple to that man? Now everybody where they call now they give her the money. Mona made on a business. All this thing won't come too much. Una not like better thing. Enemy of progress. Una too many. Nobody go free breed that boy down. You don't take where start the business. You don't take. No be una way come yesterday no be force. Mona not the note again. Mona forget. The boy even the talker. It's not by force. Not be by force to donate to charity. If you like, you donate. If you don't like, go to her. Another person go come go and donate. And not be waiting you like me like. Not be waiting you like me like. I beg. Genocide for you. Genocide for you. Genocide for them. You don't do. A bunny come and not work with that song. I wave ni have pass through. I wave because have any more progress in your boom. No what I'm about what you better will be. Oh, Benea, you talk. Mona suffering, You go now, your book can say, I know. I bury the money. If they bury you, bury that money. You will go use that for when you are not where we got a so Mona forget about all this nonsense. Mona forget. Now so this one say, now so the other one say donate, now so the other one not talk say donate. What if you na business? I beg. Now small thing I say me I can't still tell you. I don't say no go enter na head though. about no worry funny the yore killing fly eating ya killing fly chopping it ba magbabani mama say no ya yore move and last year not time odi no sage ta December nari wale temu ni ave mu ba we ta we se we ya magbani over America ana kare Europe America meje nani yes is your give gwalo give FBI mona suffer abeg unu na yari ama egedolo yo rotani ekeno iwon la lo abati when he kai unu na yari ama egedolo ji o otani ekeno iwon pe kwa iwon wa pe kwa ni about mind your business face your de police men working de kodete me can work me men work with himself me je hen yati tomorrow no working de politician here de gbogbo men we yekin noise maker of Facebook or we yekin because you are making noise, you are disgracing the people of those states who were disgracing mind your business abatobaze mind your business umana mind the business iwe wari un luvolo de ba media no sage wari un luvolo de when you umana ha make shari toge I when na me see o give am agoto na ya ke ogoma you are free to do it oba boe we atoba boe ki o maze no ga doe akabenya we panugudo nege panugu beno ya pake o wonu gba lo yo bovio ekun enu monya wa pa ne jenu segedo uwe ha wa pa panugudo abati obaze wa pa nuge panudu must pa you like it or not that God sent foundation omo ese donine amano ba fi e weri when no magbabani no davan igavane we do agi ni aga ya sele na je wasalopu wa de na wa me bia na me ijana we ijare abe bia mokbia ama bia ma se we adbati you are just disgracing your family who disgracing ya igba ya ha ma we no we to moso mi otoi o me ha ma we o mi otemi rokpa just again no we mi o mi no because first of all go ma register latin and then you no say okpa charity nore mi anti Facebook una we emore o ha gbo ohun emore o ha gele gbo ohun this emi kere ni we ni do tana in ite we give go we gun abet uri yoriere ovi ave samagun awe ni ado agun ame ba ni eni ma benu we wa bezu ere ni bezu anya cauliflower chopping it benu we zu ere nya bezu because o ma no gele ne sense beni meje I mere ati ni kan ha meje no sage we do rie akanti we la dia do ya ta call no do give me accountability Imeret, ma wo magba ki ma wo gba ki ma wetin ami no o magba yeye omo ni wa we gba we business o we ha face ozo no ki yo de odo ha ma we do give me accountability o ge bo ki o ge mo hu o ma ge mo hu ma wo gba we the business o ma na gba we business agba deal with we no ke aside dire agba do deal with abeg ni we reserve e do we from Untouchable Mama. Remain blessed, my people. One love.